that's always troubling because a lot of times we always tell people hire a lawyer, don't hire like legal or notary or something like that. But it's you never know what you're going to get, and it's if we go to doctors, we think, oh, I went to a surgeon. We go to the first surgeon that says you need the surgery. You think you're good. They're just like us too. They're going to be ones that haven't kept up on the new updates and the new surgery and procedures and stuff like that. It's really important to get 4 or 5 opinions. It just requires a lot of patience to do that.
Well, and I think what we're seeing, and realistically, this is why we've been building our practice for all these years, so that when you get to a point when there's a lot of traffic, you have a notoriety online. There's a level of, in this review economy we now live in and operate in, there's a level of, okay, here's 5 people. And of these 5, there's enough reviews where I feel like they're legitimate.
Yeah.
Okay, of these 5, let me just send out a little tickler and let me see response. And of the 5 that I've tickled, 2 of them got back to me right away. Okay, of these 2, one has time for me tomorrow. Okay, great. And so there is something to be said about, accessibility and quality of
Yeah.
service. And the way I think about it and talk to potential clients pretty much every day is, my hope is that I can have a conversation with somebody about a situation and help them. It'd be great for you to hire me. It'd be great to monetize every conversation I have, but that's not my business model. My business model is, let's talk. If I can help you, great. This is what I can do. And if I never hear from you again, no problem, no harm, no foul. I'm busy enough. On the flip side, this kind of essentially slow sell, because that's how I like to be sold, which is, this is the menu of options, take it or leave it. We're here if you have any questions.
Yeah.
And when I walk away with no, oh, hey, what if I discount you? Or, oh, hey, what if I blah, blah, blah? I feel like, okay, they're not desperate. Because I think the consumer, we are now so aware of desperation in a way where it's a big red flag. Where if you talk, like you said, to a doctor, a florist, a dry cleaner, if they say, oh, it's going to be a week, and you're like, oh, okay, it's fine, I need it by 3 days, and they say, okay, we can get it done, that doesn't make you feel better. If anything, you're like, oh, why did you say it a week? And now that relationship starts off in kind of a weird foot. Whereas if they say a week, but they were honest about it, and then the next time I have dry clean and I come back to them, it's like, oh yeah, like, there's a level of, I think you're the same way. We think about things in a long-term approach, which is, I think, very different than a lot of our colleagues, and maybe this the legal market, which is, you called me again, I have to turn this into money today, and
Yeah.
I'll say whatever I need to say to make money.